Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today in the PESESS Islamiyat class we covered the passage number 3, Surah Fussilat, Surah number 41, verses number 37. وَمِنْ آيَاتِهِ اللَّيْلُ وَالنَّهَارُ وَالشَّمْسُ وَالْقَمَرُ لَا تَسْجُدُوا لِلشَّمْسِ وَلَا لِلْقَمَرِ وَاسْجُدُوا لِلَّهِ الَّذِي خَلَقَهُنَّ إِن كُنتُمْ إِيَّاهُ تَعْبُدُونَ. So in this lesson, and we covered the main theme and the importance of these themes for Muslim life today. So in this passage we learned this surah of Surah Fussilat speak of the sun and moon and day and night as a sign of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and these things to signify his wisdom and power. And people have repeatedly been told in the Quran that natural objects on earth and sky are creation of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. They don't have any power, authority of their own. So how can we set any of his own creations as equal to him? Again, night and day are not conflicting power, but are both creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah is the sole cause and the source of all that exists, and whatever exists is a sign of his creative and his power. And in the second point, theme of this passage encourage Muslim to observe various objects of nature that reflect God's majesty of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Such observations develop a strong belief in Tawheed. Yes, and consolidate the faith of Muslim that all things are under the commandments of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So they must believe upon him. So being a Muslim, we must worship of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and being a Muslim we must avoid of any shirk associate with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because those people who associate with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will never forgive them. So all students, kindly read the explanations from your book and try to write the answer of this questions. Question number 1, briefly describe the main theme of this passage, Surah Fussilat, and question number 2, briefly explain the importance of these themes in Muslim life today. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.